Hi guys, a quick overview of IFOA CB1 April 2026 exam. As per the feedback that we have received from students, exam was of moderate difficulty. A lot of questions, very wordy questions were there basically, and questions were focusing on application, not memorization. Questions were focusing on application, जो कि CB1 में हमेशा ये issue रहता ही है that nothing comes directly from the textbook. Case study questions बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं. Actually में you require practical understanding, and the important thing is that you always, whenever you are attempting a question, you don't have to think as a student, you have to think as a manager. Then only you can bring more of application style thinking in your answers. So very few direct questions were there, and सबसे बड़ा issue क्या था which students actually committed while attempting the exam was that writing generic theory without linking to the case, not connecting answers to the given scenario, poor time management because you are not managing your 20 markers or 5 markers well, and missing practical examples. So if you are appearing for IFOA CB1 September 2026 or II CB1 November 2026, this is very important thing that always tie theory to the case study with specific examples. You have to practice managerial thinking. You have to make sure that you are not just writing generic theory. You have to make sure that you are practicing under time conditions. Practical examples बहुत ज़्यादा implement कर रहे हो. Case study वाले questions scenario के साथ link करके directly rote memorization ना करके you are changing your style of thinking with respect to what the question is asking, what the examiner wants from you. So expected pass mark for CB1 April 2026 exam is around 60 to 64. Actual pass mark will depend on performance of others, difficulty level and marks distribution. So plus minus 2 to 3 marks deviation can be expected. So if you appeared for IFOA CB1 April 2026 exam, feel free to mention your experience in the video, feel free to mention your experience in our LinkedIn article attached in the description box, the links for the LinkedIn article. So don't forget to subscribe our LinkedIn or YouTube channel. We are coming up with daily updates basically to help entire actual community so that we can contribute better to actual society. Stay tuned for more updates coming to your way. Thank you. Happy learning.